Hello friends, welcome to Galgotia's University. I am Apurva Shukla and I am the course coordinator of content writing as in subject. So today I would be discussing the topic types of content writing. So in this particular lecture video, I would be discussing what is content writing and what are the various types of content writing. So as in this video, the main objective of this lecture is that student will able to know what are the various types of content writing and as per this in which field they can make their career in as in content writer. So content writing is basically the process of planning, writing, editing web content, especially for web marketing. We can say that it is another way to generate content. Communication is such a content generation process is done through text. It can include writing blog post, articles, script for videos and podcast, as well as content for specific platforms such as tweet storms on Twitter or text post on Reddit. Content writing has developed at a tremendous rate in terms of processes involved. In this era of booming internet, almost all the industries need content marketing, and for that, the major source of the content generated for such companies is in the text format. So these are basically the types of content writing, and to understand what is basically content writing is, it is better way to study the forms of content writing and where content writing is used and how it is consumed. So when we come upon the categorization of content writing, we have SEO writing. Now, SEO is search engine optimization. The second is blogging. Third is business writing. Fourth is copywriting. Next, news journal and report writing. And the last is creative writing. So firstly, we would be discussing search engine optimization writing. So these search engines are basically we called as Google, Bing, Yandex, AOL. These all are basically examples of search engine. So over here, it is a style of writing in which content of a website is optimized and make it rank better in search list of any search engine. So these search engines are believed to use an algorithm that scales the authenticity and degree of information provided by the content piece. There are many search engine optimization strategies developed by the content analyst. Now, SEO writing is a very responsible task as it decides how good content is going to be ranked on search engine like Google. Many organizations continuously research the behavior of search engines to find better search engine optimization techniques. So SEO writing is one of the most important types of content writing at this moment and in the present scenario, and people who want to become SEO writers are advised to basically learn thoroughly from any of the institutions you can go up or in your journalism course as well. So this is all about SEO writing, or you can say search engine optimization. So now when we switch to blogging, blogging is basically, it is a form of content writing, and it can run commercial, we can actually run commercial blogs also and personal blogs as well. Commercial blogs are very profitable. So a blog is, when we say blogging, so first term comes at what is actually blog is. So a blog is an online journal where information is uploaded, and one can create a personal blog and upload information relevant to their interest. So blogging has grown immensely as a culture. Many times people confuse blogs with websites. So website may or may not be a blog, because website can offer services, make transactions and a lot more. Blogs are purely meant for information purposes, which means one can only put up information in a blog. Blogging is purely meant for those who want to become writers or those who want to put their views, opinions, analysis, and maybe showcase their write-ups on the online platforms. So many companies keep a separate blog section on their websites that is loaded with articles and information related to the theme of the website or the company. So this is another, that is the commercial blogging basically. Now, blogging has been a very vital element of content marketing, and blogging is heavily crowded with millions and millions of writers, and therefore the competition is quite tough to rank among such a huge number of content. So now we switch to the third one, that is called business writing. Now it is a type of writing which is especially used in businesses and commercial purposes. So business writing is quite different from regular forms of writing. Business content is used by startups and businesses, and such kind of writing demands a very different kind of skill set. Usually the content writing is to drive traffic towards the targeted action, which could be getting customers to make a purchase or any product, or to try a service or any other, depending upon what kind of motive the content puts forward. So business content writing is very responsible task. In the world of the internet, it can convert a lot of content consumers into actual costumes for the business. So this is the same as content marketing, but not for a brand or driving traffic to a site, rather converting consumers of the content into real customers. So now we switch to the fourth style of content writing, that is copywriting. So it is one of the most popular and renowned forms of content writing. It is majorly used in advertising and marketing. Framing attractive taglines and commercial ads we often find interesting because of the unique ideas and concepts of presentation are usually done by the copywriters. Now copywriters are demanded by almost all kinds of organizations, especially brands as businesses which either offer a product or a service find the need of the copywriters. Now copywriting is a form of content writing which requires a lot of creativity. Copywriting is responsible for sales, the product descriptions, social media posts, and even the interesting taglines we often find interesting. They are written by the copywriters. The primary focus of a copywriter is to pull the audience attention and influence them to take action. Now, copywriting is possibly one of the most interesting content writing as an career. So this is one of the most popular or interesting career opportunity also. Now the news, journal and report writing, this is the fifth style of content writing, and these kinds of writing is performed by journalists. It is heavy researched style of content writing. This kind of content writing requires good writing skills as well as strong vocabulary to present the facts and matters with the intensity that is supposed to reach the audience. This is very popular form of content writing and is a very effective method of presenting content. Such content is generally not for commercial purposes, but more about reaching an audience with the necessary information. So skills like creative writing are one of the most demanded qualities. But when we talk about as in news, journal and report writing, we go for having a stable content writing career and as a news writer. To be a news writer, one must have an unbiased vision and should be able to write rational endings to the articles. This kind of content writing plays a very different role for any organization, as reporting doesn't necessarily mean journalism or news writing, but many industries also requires reports based on research to carry out certain actions. Sixth is the creative writing. Such type of writing is done by the script writers or playwriters, for example, writing scripts for film or video, etc. So while we discuss the commercial aspects of the content writing and how many tactics, optimization techniques and marketing strategies are used to rank better on search engines like Google, There are also some types of content writing which definitely have a direct or indirect commercial purpose but allows the writer to show his creative skills through writing. This kind of writing requires a lot of creative skills to come up with interesting and unique ideas. The video clips and movies we find interesting are the results of someone really putting all his creative skills into writing a script of a story. So as hard as this profession, equally high are the salaries for this kind of content writing, and creative writers are majorly required in the media industry, and these writers are responsible for the theme setup of many shows, plays and short films. So while this kind of writing is especially involved in the media industry, movie script writers and are the ones who pitch script that they have written using their creative mindsets. So content writing is one of the growing industry in the present scenario, and hence we should know the various kinds of content writing so that one can make his or her career in it. These are few of the links which you can refer for the further readings. We would be meeting next with another interesting topic. Till then, thank you.